Hey, a very short video will show you how you can create a subsystem in MATLAB Simulink. We are creating a subsystem in MATLAB Simulink just because to reduce the complexity when we have a very ambiguous and a large simulation model. So for that I am creating a very short circuit. Go to the commonly used block. I'm picking the add constant two times, and I will just you know multiply these two and will show the results. Go to things and display the result, right? Just quickly arrange these and connect accordingly. I just multiply these two numbers, right? Here it is. For example, its value is 12, 15, and its value is 10, for example, and I will get my result in this display, right? So just simulate this. I am getting 150. It's okay. Now to create subsystem, select the area from which you want to make a subsystem. I just want to make disappear this portion, right? So I selected this, right click and create a subsystem. You can also press Ctrl G, right? This is now done. So if I simulate this, I will get my result 150 again. Let me change it 11, simulate it, it's early change. So this is how you will create